Welcome to this 15-minute standing Pilates class focusing all on arm strength and posture exercises. We're going to be using a light set of weights, but this is going to be a very powerful class, so don't let these baby weights fool you. We're going to have 3 rounds, and each one is going to have a slightly unique twist so that this is not only good for your body, but good for your brain as well. And we're going to throw in some balance work because that's essential for your workout program, especially as we're aging. And I always say today is the youngest we're ever going to be, so celebrate today and keep in mind when you work out what you can do today and how it's going to help you right now in the present and also in the future. One final aspect of this class is that all the exercises are going to be done in a neutral position with the spine. If you're ready to get started, grab your weights and let's get moving. Let's go ahead and begin standing. Decide, do you want your legs and feet to stay parallel to one another or Pilates V? What's most comfortable for you? And we'll begin by just rocking our weight forward and back. So you'll sense your weight go more onto the balls of the feet and toes, and then more into the heels. Now, if balance is challenging as we're doing this rocking, or as we come back to balance work in between our 3 rounds, then stand near a wall and your hand can be on the wall for extra support. 2 more times. Now find a position where your weight is more equal over the feet, maybe just a little bit lighter in the heels, and pull the weights up, return, up, return. This first exercise should be really easy. If it's feeling pretty challenging, I want you to get a lighter set of weights. Just 2 more times. Now reach your arms out to the side, palms face up, bicep curl. Upper arm stays still, pivoting from the elbows. And as you look straight ahead, you could most likely see the weights moving from your peripheral vision. A little bit lighter in the heels. Keep the elbows bent this next time and let your arms come in front of you and open. So we're slowing this one down. Really feel the press open with the back of the shoulders and arms. Feet anchored down. Just honor the natural curves of your spine. You don't need to force it. Sometimes you can think like your head just floats up to the ceiling, so you're not getting to work in the neck. One more time. Keep your arms in front of you. Extend and bend. Extend and bend. To make this exercise a little bit easier, lower your elbows and do the same motion. So more challenging would be keeping upper arms parallel to floor. Still weight a little bit more biased to the balls of the feet. One last time. Very nice. Hands come near the forehead and you reach one arm straight and bend. Opposite arm. So as we move single arm, still trying to maintain equal weight into the feet. With the arm lifting higher than it has lifted so far, lift your chest and collarbones up. So we're not slouching. That wouldn't be ideal. Even if you ditch the weights for this exercise, it's more about keeping a aligned position with spine and then letting the arm move. One last time here. Let's pivot forward, reach your arms down, bend the knees, and pull back, return. Shoulders, elbows, pull, return. Breathing. Pelvis reaches back behind you, crown of the head, forward. And again, we're still maintaining natural curves of the spine. Next time, elbows pull back, keep them there. Extend arms and bend. So we're back to that pivoting motion from the elbows. Upper arms, stay reaching back behind you. Deep breathing, pressing evenly into the feet here. 2, 1. Very nice. Take the hands near the shoulders and reach one arm just straight and bend. Opposite arm straight and bend. So slowing this one down. Really trying to get the arm lifting high as you reach it in front of you. You can always put the weights to the side for any one of these exercises. One more time each side. Very nice. Come back up, heels of the feet together or parallel, your choice. Heels lift and lower. So we're gonna let the arms recover just a little bit before we go round two. So doing some balance work, press evenly into the balls of the feet, into all your toes. Continue breathing. 2, 1. Root down with one foot. Let the opposite leg come forward. And then lift that leg up. It can just be a small lift or a bigger lift. But what I really want you to sense is supporting leg may have little wobbles. That's balancing. Find that nice, stable, supported leg, even if it's making adjustments. Another breath here. And switch sides. We'll add on to that for round two. So once you feel stable, you can always keep your foot in kickstand. Lift the thigh up. Breathing. You may need to adjust where your weight is. Soften in the shoulders, even in the jaw. All these areas that want to try to help. Another breath here. Very nice. Both feet underneath you again. Back to pull up and down. So this exercise will stay the same, but we'll be adding on some variations for the next ones. 2 more times. Very nice. Lift your arms up. Now bend one elbow and switch. Switch. So alternating. Breathing. Keep lifting up through collarbones. Weight just a little bit light in the heels. Now bend both elbows and we rotate one arm in front, opposite arm stays, and then switch. And switch. So we're trying to keep rest of the body very still. Just let the arms move. And I like to slow this one down. It's a brain body teaser, a different type of Pilates teaser. One last time. Now both elbows come forward, extend one, opposite one pulls in and switch, switch, switch. So alternating, remember you can take this lower is just fine. Lift up through the chest. Continue breathing, root down through the feet, a little bit light in the heels. One last time. Pull both arms in, hands come near the forehead, extend one and bend. Reach. We're not going to do anything fancy with this exercise. Reach. Really focus on staying lifted with your chest so we're not collapsing. That would not be ideal for this movement. Even if you don't use weights for this, so much more beneficial. Alignment of upper body and then find your range of motion. One more time each side. Very nice. Go back into that pivot forward. Pull one elbow back and switch, switch, switch. And even though we're alternating, we're trying to keep the rest of the body really still again. Maybe you want to pivot a little bit more forward. Your back will work more that way, but you're going to maintain natural curves with your spine. One last time. Pull both elbows back behind you, extend one arm, switch, switch, switch. So just alternating. That's our main theme for round two here. Let your pelvis reach further back, crown of the head further forward. And maybe you can pivot forward, maintaining neutral position with the spine. One more time each side. Very nice. Reach both arms forward in front of you. One arm pulls back. Return, switch, return. So we're letting both arms come forward before you switch sides. Really get that back up in range of motion. Think shoulder leads. As long as your arm stays straight, the hand will get up there. One more time, each side. Very nice. Hands come near the shoulders. Reach and reach, alternating. This one's always so challenging. Stay in that forward pivot as much as you can with natural curves. We are almost there. One more time, each side. Very nice. Bring yourself up. Back to some balance work. We lift, lift. So if double leg is feeling pretty good, going to go kickstand one leg, single leg up, up, up. Really try to get up there with your opposite leg. 2, switch sides, up, up, breathing. So 2 rounds done, 1 more to go. One last time. Very nice. Both heels down, anchor through one leg, foot, opposite leg lifts. Now, if balance is challenging, stay here or start moving your free leg back and forward. Rest of the body stays still. Just keep breathing. Balance work, so important. Two more times. Very nice. Switch sides, anchor down opposite foot. Kickstand or lift, you're feeling stable. Move, free leg, back and forth. We're not concerning ourselves how high the leg lifts forward and back, more just an easy swing. This is for balance more than anything else right now. Almost coming up on round 3. 2, one last time. Very nice. Both feet down. Again, up and down. Back to first variation. This is a little break before we really get into the brain teaser arm work. 2 more times. 2, 1. Lift the arms. Let one arm reach in front. Bend. 2, 3. Pause. Switch. And we bend. 2, 3. Pause. Let's repeat that. Trying to stay very still in the rest of the body. Stay bent. Switch. Continue breathing. Pause. Switch. We got 2. Keep them bent. Switch. You got 2. Keep them bent. Switch. Again, 2. One more time. 2 to 2. Equal weight in the feet, a little bit lighter in the heels. And now this next time, we go 1, switch, 1, switch. Keep your pelvis still. It feels like it's moving, right? Because the arms are moving, it maybe feels a little odd. You may want to look at yourself in the mirror for this movement. Ensure pelvis, spine is truly staying still and just the arms moving. We are almost there. Very nice. Bring the hands near the forehead. Extend 1 and 1. So alternating. Now we're going to add on a little variation. This next time, keep lifting your chest up. Same arm. 1, 2, 3. Switch sides. 1. Keep lifting. 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Bend the elbows. Pivot forward. Natural curves. Alternate, alternate. Breathing, really drive shoulder and elbow up. Back behind you. Both elbows pull up and alternate tricep kick back here. Continue breathing. Saved one of the more challenging exercises for the end. We're going to end with a nice little flourish. Keep breathing. Now pause, extend both arms and bend, extend and bend. Getting a few more of these with both arms moving at the same time. Keep elbows pulled back, extend and bend. Deep breathing. 2, 1. Now reach the arms forward and down. Slight bend in the elbow. One arm lifts up, opposite arm back. Return. Switch. We're slowing it down like molasses. Keep breathing. Equal weight in the feet. This is your last arm exercise. You got it. Remember, you can always take weights down. As you come back to this class, you will get stronger. One last time. We're not done yet. Oh no. Bring the hands near the shoulders. Push the arms away and bend. So they end up in a similar position they were just in with straight arm variation. We're just pulling in and then reach. Slow it down and work that length and range of motion. This is the last arm exercise. Let's do one more time. Each side. Very nice. You can put the weights down, standing, feet parallel, legs or heels together, your choice, and go back, heel lift, heel lift. So we don't need those weights anymore. Ending with a little bit more balance work. Breathe deeply. Now keep your heels down. You're going to look over one shoulder and switch. Shoulders aren't moving. Spine isn't moving. Now have your weight lighter in your heels. Keep your head in center for a breath, and maybe if you want, lift your heels up just a little bit. You're still feeling very balanced. Head rotates. So I'm slowing down the head rotation a little bit because the heels are lifted. The heel lift is an option. You don't want to skip out on balance work. It's really important. One last time. Very nice. Stay center. Bend the knees. Legs go straight. Take a deep breath in and out. Be so proud of yourself for making it through that routine. Light weights doesn't mean it's easy. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.